The 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, lane departure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.